clutch, nice and tactile, old school like my DeWalt back in the day. I haven't felt this tactile kind of 20 clutch settings. It's got hammer, screw, drill, separate clutch right here for those. Okay. This has got 22,000 beats per minute for the hammer function. For the torque numbers, because it's not DeWalt, we don't use, and Bosch is too exquisite to be using unit watts out like DeWalt guys. No offense. You know, you fans come out. I'm not a fan of anything as long as it works and gets the job done for me and doesn't give me hassle. I'm all about it. I've only had 2 Bosch drills in my life. This is the second one, okay? The original one had these older batteries that had a torpedo. This is nice. 490 inch-pounds of torque. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a proper breakdown. Okay, 21 plus clutch settings to reduce over tightening. Okay. Brushless motor, obviously, 490 pounds of torque, no load. Okay, 0 to 2200,000 BPMs. Okay. With Bosch, by the way, the bottom is where you get your information, okay? Damn. Huh. Let's see this. My eyesight's going on me. I can't see these numbers anymore. Let's see if I can find this over here by itself. That's brushed trash. Where's this kit? Oh, here it is. This will give the proper numbers to this bad boy right here. They also have it for $99 overnight ship. If you order today, within 10 minutes, if you're in the East Coast, you'll get it by Thursday. Free shipping, Prime. Let's get the information on this. Here you go, full information. No, it's not the proper information I want. But there's the drill right there, so same drill. Oh, the RPM, here we go. The drill has 600 RPM, high speed drilling. That's low, okay? Low is 600 RPM. High speed drilling is 1900 RPM. With an upgraded all-metal chuck. The drill has great bit hold. I might change the chuck eventually out of Jacobs or a Rome from Germany. I'm actually feeling this. I love rigid, okay? You guys rule. Okay? Since I discovered you, I was like, I can save money and have quality. I don't have to buy DeWalt no more because I was going to upgrade to the lithium. Okay, I actually was going to also upgrade when they first came out with those lithium batteries. I think it was 2006. But those torpedo lithium batteries were terrible. There was no way I was upgrading to that, so I waited. Okay, the job, some of the jobs I took back then in those days, I took 2 jobs. One of them had Bosch. That's how I got to use the one, and then I owned one that had the torpedo battery. But I sold it. I didn't want it. Okay? No offense. It was a good, drill. Did its job. Impact drivers were kind of relatively new back then. So then my boss is like, we can only get Makita because we have a contract. So I got the white Makita drill and impact driver set with the light. It was 2009 or 10, something like that. I was using that for a little bit. But yeah, this is sweet. But I used to use the DeWalt Nightcat. I had the whole 18 volt series. I had a bunch of 14.4 volt series. This has got to be by far the sweetest little tiny drill. And a lot of my DeWalts. I have the DW995, okay? Or did. I think I still have it, I don't know. But anyway, that I think only had 400 inch-pounds of torque. I could be wrong, it had 350. In those days, that was astronomical, the pounds of torque, okay? You can get a drill. All right, 490 back then. Oh, you would have had the top of the heat right then. Back in like 97. Yeah, 96. That drill came out in 96. Oh, you were in. When that drill came out, my first drill was a DW991. Okay, 14.4 volts, half inch, 3/8 chuck, Jacobs, all metal, 2-speed. I only went to 1400 back then. I think it was about 300 inch-pounds of torque, 290 or something like that. But it was a lot. It did what it needed to do. We had this back then. My God, my goodness, it's powerful. Anyway, let's look at this. Okay. This video is too darn long. Oh, the resistance right here. This is the GDX 18V 1800 impact driver. They put this together. This battery's a little crummy. Let's put this. Okay. We're going to use this bag. Okay. This is designed for that. Oh, nice impact. Snap. Snap, snap. There's 2 belt clips. Good. Suki, calm down. Oh, dogs. Ruin my video. Ugh. Come on, guys. All right, I know you hear people doing trees. I can't yell at them. This comes with drill bits, a couple. All right, a couple of Hex, a couple of Phillips. I got more. Okay. This is 1800 inch-pounds of torque. Okay. I'm gonna read the specs right now. Where is this thing? This thing is by itself. I've seen it. No. Where is this thing by itself? No, that's not it. I'm gonna have to look at this one. This one's got the information. Sorry about that, people. That's got the GD model GDX 1800 Freak. Bit socket impact. Has a 2-in-1 chuck offered, blah blah blah. Yeah, just like mine, but the handle's much thicker. My goodness, this isn't a thin handle. Oh God, I kind of like the original. Original Freak's got that. Let's go right that way. As you guys can see, oops, this has got the, yeah, well anyway, I'm going to explain this one, but this has got the thin handle. Yeah. This stick. It's got brushless, so it's 1800. Yeah, this is 1800 inch-pounds of torque. 3,600 impacts per minute. What is the RPM of this freaking mother sucker? Where is this one? I mean, Amazon only carries the high-end one. Or the brushed one. Ugh. No, 1960. You gotta be kidding me. Amazon. What are you doing? You know what? Let's do this. Wait a minute. There. Let's get this going. I'm gonna search it right now. That's how you do something real fast on a phone. And pop right up. The 1600, that's the crappy 16. Here it is. Here it is, alright? That's the kit by itself. Sells for $179 by itself. As you see. Let's get the specs on these bad boy right here. I like my rigid, no offense. Let's get this going. Come on up. 1842 IPM professional power. I don't want that. I want the specs, the full specs. Come on, rigid. I mean, Bosch, give me the full specs. Where is this? What is the RPM in this bad boy? Come on, man. You know, people don't advertise the RPM. Fudge packers. 3,400 RPM on this one. I forgot what this is. I know the torque is 1650. Didn't know that. I forgot what the IPA is. IPM. And this is 3 speeds, so this is 2,600. This has got more torque. But the handle in this is just so effous. So that's 3 speed over here. So wait. Yeah. Let's see. Well, that concludes today's video. We'll catch you guys on the next one, alright? Link will be in the description. Please make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe. Later. Thank you to Tool Boss. Thank you to Tool Review Zone. Thank you, Tools of Soul. Thank you, Zarkon TV. Okay, and even thank you, Belts and Boxes, for shouting me out in one of your videos and reading my comment. It may have been funny watching you read it, but respect. Okay. This is a nice kit right here. You gotta use your fingers, like the old days. It's variable speed. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the channel. Look what we got here. Pinnacle of my YouTube passion that I've been doing since 2016. Pretty much straight now. Before 2016 was a couple videos here and there, but even though I haven't hit a high milestone, this might help me having this. Okay. This is your 2-kit combo. Okay. Comes with the 2 core batteries. Okay, 2 4.0 core batteries. Everywhere else that has this kit, this kit's a little bit harder to come by. Mostly online, you have to get it. Has 2.0 batteries. Track Supply has it. Same kit. Okay, this is the Freak 2.0 or 2.2. Yeah, 2.5. 2.5. I think. Wait. No. Wait, 2. No. 3. This would be Freak 3. Freak 2. Oh no, Freak 2 is the brushed. Yeah, the 16V. So, Freak 3. Freak 3. When it comes to the freaks, this would be the third one. Or the half, because it doesn't have the control. This is 1800 inch-pounds of torque. Okay, it's powerful driver. Kind of like this one here, my H182. Has a core battery. It is on this, and gives it life. Still works. Well, we're gonna get into this. The model again is GLX 18V 233B25. I'll give a link to where if you want to purchase this kit, they still sell it. Okay, let's look at the models information. 2.5-bit older Freak. Oh, that's just a Freak. Brushless motor. Okay. Trying to look for the model numbers. No. You see right here. You see right here. Factory seal. Using this Lutz 82 all metal utility knife. It's been to the reaches of Lucifer's house with me. Still going. It's got its war marks. This is old, but it's the one I've used the most. It was the only one I would really mind. I'm gonna open this now. Oh wait, more seals, I forgot. Hold on a second. Alright, we're back. Let's get the seal going. Opening this up the first time with you. Guys, this is a Bosch subcompact hammer drill. Impact driver. No controls, just variable trigger, but it's the Freak. Okay. This is what you technically would call the original Freak, the Audi H182. Wasn't a Freak back then, so this is old school. 1,650 foot-pounds of torque. It's right there with Makita, so no offense, some Makita Gnome fans, but you know, Bosch killed it with this. Okay. Oh yeah, smell that brand new tool bag. Oh, look at this. It's gonna be a big Bosch tool bag. Why not? It's not like rigid. I mean, not like not like Milwaukee. The usual manuals. All this information. I gotta mail this stuff in. Manuals for everything. My God, I'm gonna have to keep my bag. Charger. Manual for the tools, the impacts. There's probably a manual in here for the batteries too. Oops. information on Bosch. That's the charger. I should have a screwdriver in here. I don't. How not smart am I? Oh wait, I have my drill. Yeah. Use my Bosch IDH 182. Yeah, that works for me. Here's the drill. Okay. All metal chuck, okay? Battery. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, because I have the freak over here, the original freak, the gauge, I'm gonna swap its battery for this testing. It's the same tools. So, okay. Hold on a second. I'll put this IDH 182 on this battery here for stability purposes. Brushless. This is a GSB 18V 490 brushless drill driver. I think it's 495 inch-pounds of torque. Well, it's a hammer drill, but this is a subcompact one. This is like Rigid and DeWalt subcompact line, but it's still Bosch professional, so. Metal chuck. I think it's 1/16 grip. Who makes this chuck? It's probably just a standard general with metal. So nice speed 1, speed 2 selector switch. The clutch goes up to 20. It's got hammer, screw, drill function. The BPM on this is 22,000 BPMs a minute. Okay, let's see what the goodies this comes with. Oh, these comes with some filled bits. This is for the custom case system. Comes with a bits on the side of the drill. Okay, we'll go flip over. Okay, cool. Come here. Calm down, buddy. Come here, Jeter. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. And my dogs, I apologize. Come here. Oh, okay. Come here. Come here, Suki. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's just a tree, guys. Cut the trees down, okay? All right, guys. Calm down. Calm down. This is why I can't make videos all the time. Dogs are crazy. But this drill's nice. I'm gonna probably have to oil this just a little bit to get the clear the truck and make it nice and smooth. this ain't powerful. 400. Get this correct. I have my other phone. So here's my phone. Oh, here it is. Check these stats right now because I don't have them on my. All right. Let's see the stats on this bad boy right here. Fudge. Come on. Thank you. No, thank you. It doesn't work. Oh, there it goes. Got a nice little light in the bottom. Alright, let's get these specs. Make sure we get them right. Alright, people? Alright. Let's get these specs right. That's what you call it. Motor. This is brushless to the core, man. Oh yeah, this is definitely the show right here. Amazon sells it for $3.19, so I got a little cheaper than that. Let's see what the features are in this EC brushless motors for superior efficiency. Okay. What's the model number of this drill? I mean, the specs of this drill. Okay. The GLX 18V, whatever. GSB 18V 490. 20 clutch settings, hammer drill. Oh, 1800. No, that's the EC. Hammer drill. Masonry, whatever work site, such as masonry. Motor delivers 490 inch-pounds of torque, no load, BPM. No load. And a no load BPM for the hammer drill, 22,000 beats per minute. The kit includes an 18-volt charger, and you get the use back quick fast. It comes with 2-core 21700 cells. I like this drill. It's going to get lots of use.